Priyanka, what you were saying?
Live. Ma'am, we are live now.
Can I start?
Yes,
Can I
ma'am.
say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Because in the next few minutes, I have to get down. Yeah. Okay. So I feel that last entire year was amazing. It was a different in terms of learning and teaching us, all of us, including all teachers. I think last entire 2020, we were busy in online academics, giving the and taking, giving as well as taking the lecture, learning the lecture via online mode. At the same time, we have given examination by online mode. Now it is the time to start something which is different, not only examination academics, but something very enthusiastic crowd is waiting for, right? So we are starting with our cultural, which is something a unique experience for all of us, including those who are organizing it, including those who are going to watch it. So I am sure that it will be amazing experience and a kind of experience which we will remain in within us as well as the teachers. Okay, because it is something different, and I congratulate all of you, and I'm extremely thankful to the entire KMK gang, that is student council, who are with able guidance of Priyanka and Nirmiti doing amazing work. Okay? I'm sure you will enjoy and cherish this moment forever. So have a nice time, enjoy yourself, and now the dais is completely with these two girls and the entire student council team. So I congratulate you and formally inaugurate this enjoyable event and cultural. I'm sure this cultural event will be amazing experience for all of us. So enjoy your day. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
All the best. Let's go.
Start करो.
I'll just check if everything is working properly. Uh, okay. I think Ronak has messaged, so it should be all right. I think we should go ahead now.
Okay. Welcome everybody. Good morning, respected teachers and my fellow students right now. I hope everybody will enjoy and are excited and thrilled for our cultural event, Halcyon. So, uh, one thing which I want to tell you all is you have to show your love and excitement in the chat box. Yes, it is a new way of like interacting with everybody. So show your love, show your support to your friends and your classmates in the chat box. So I would just like to say a few, like Sneha had beautifully written the meaning of the word halcyon. She had written, according to the Greek mythology, a halcyon bird had a to calm through the power to calm the rough ocean waves every December, where she would nest. Now, I would like to take this line and say that the past year was like a rough wave, and right now we are in a place where we need to be calm, relax, and enjoy. So this is a platform, this is a cultural, this is a place where we can relax, enjoy, and have fun. So I hope you all are ready, and I hope all the teachers are ready with us. We can show some love in the chat box because this is how we interact now. This is our new normal. I guess we can start with the culturals. What's it, Priyanka?
Yes, so should we start with the first event? I'll just post the link in the comments so that we are good to go. Nirmiti! Nalini ma'am is joining us. Ma'am, you are there? Hello.
Yeah, I'm there. I'm there.
Yes, ma'am. I think you have reached college. Ma'am,
Yeah,
what would
yeah,
you like
just
to say
reached college.
about the performances that the classes have presented just now?
I would say it was really awesome. All of you did a real great job, considering that we have gone virtual this year. But wonderful, keep it up. Like your enthusiasm and good participation from all the classes, and hoping to see better ones as the day unfolds.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, all the best to all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Should we continue with group? Should we continue with the other competitions and then release the judging as it comes? Should we start solo singing?
Uh, yeah, I think it's okay, Priyanka. We'll need 5-10 minutes to fill the sheets because watching and filling
Yes.
simultaneously is not possible.
Yes, ma'am. And anyways, the
So
YouTube
once,
videos are there, so anytime like they can be referred back as well.
yeah, yeah, sure. Once the singing is over, within 5 minutes, we'll give you the scores. 5-10 minutes.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So we'll
Yeah,
share the solo singing now.
yeah, sure.
Mrunal ma'am has also joined. Ma'am,
Yeah, good
Mrunal
morning
ma'am.
to everyone.
Good
Yeah,
morning,
can you
Yes,
hear me?
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Yes, ma'am. We can hear
Yeah,
you very clearly.
yeah, yeah.
Ma'am, ma'am, did you see the YouTube video of group singing?
Yeah, I'm seeing that, but from where we have to judge from there, na? YouTube, na?
Yes, ma'am, from YouTube. Like Nirmiti will send you the link in case.
Yeah, so group singing is going on, na? SY.
Yes, ma'am. Group singing. Yes, ma'am.
So solo singing is after group singing.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, so now
We'll
I'll
post the
continue,
link.
no?
Yes, ma'am. Now we'll post the link for solo singing.
Okay, fine. ठीक.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah. Bye.
So I think shall we go ahead with the competitions, like not to break the flow. Later, the teachers can view the recordings and release the scores, because we are all in the excited mood. Let us know in the comment section if we should just go in that flow instead of waiting for the judges. Please let us know in the comments. Okay, then I'm posting the next link. बोल निर्मिती काय आलं?
Are we live?
Oh, yes, we are live.
The link for drama has been posted.
डान्स झाला आता ड्रामा हो पोस्ट केलं मी ग्रुप वरती पण केलं आणि इथे पण केलं.
Okay, okay, ठीक है.
निर्मिती निर्मिती you're there.
Yes, 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 yes.
So मला एकदम एड्रेनलिन रश आली आहे एकदम
Yes,
एकदम
it was amazing. All performances were good. Like, I really enjoyed them. Everybody has talents in them. We need to show them. We have one chance every year, and this is the chance where we get to see. So, how is everybody feeling now?
just let us know in the comments. Nirmiti, is AG ma'am available if she could come and talk to the students about the
Okay, yeah,
participants?
she's available. I'll just call her. I'll just call her.
Yeah. Even if Meena ma'am is also available, then
Yes, yes, I'll call her. Wait.
for some comments. So after that, we'll move on. ऋषिकेश को एड्रेनर्जिक रिसेप्टर्स कहाँ से पता? एसवाई में थोड़ा ही था वो सब. माय गॉड्स.
When I met you,
Sorry, we were just talking to the teachers. Are any teachers coming? Shrikant sir had just called me.
AG ma'am is coming. AG ma'am is coming.
Okay, yes, guys, just hold on so that the teachers can also let us know how they are feeling about the performances. After that, I just tell you all what next. So after that, we'll have the last recorded performance, which is what is it? Solo dance. Okay. I'm sure everyone is really excited for that. Yes, the GPAT app is helping everyone. Okay. So after that we'll have, okay, Archana ma'am has joined. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am.
हॅलो आता तुला काय झालंय कधीचा ऑनलाईन झालेला आहे अरे आता आता मी बाहेर जातोय आणि इकडे कनेक्शन नसणार मी ना ऑनलाईन करू शकत हा ठीक आहे मी पहिलं बघतो सीए केवढ्या तू कॉलवर
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are on mute.
Hello, everybody.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you watched the performances.
Yes, they were fabulous and good. The spirit is very good on. After a long time looking at all the faces and the nice college environment, I felt refreshed. Keep it up, very nicely organized. And one point of suggestion only, I
नाही होऊ
felt
शकत आपल्याला जायचं आता 5 minutes मध्ये
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, not able to hear.
so in group dance,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
felt the synchro was very good in that
हे
group.
करत झालं तर झालं नाही झालं
And just remember SY
Okay, bye.
also that your costumes and everything were very good. Okay, but it was a group dance. So in that way, I felt that the final years and TYs gelled very nicely. So it's a very good performance. Keep it up. The spirit should be on. Nice. All the
Thank you
best
so
to
much,
all of
ma'am.
you.
Ma'am, on behalf of all the participants, thank you so much
फटाफट आजा.
for attending the show.
Yes, my pleasure.
Priyanka, Nirmiti, great going.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
enjoying the technicality of this entire events. It is really we are enjoying. It's just like how we used to enjoy in the our own Gita Israni auditorium. So only thing is that our whatever claps are not reaching to you. But that's why I'm continuously chatting and putting my
Yes.
comments so that the show must go on. And I'm sure you are doing excellent job, and all the viewers are also enjoying. The dances were amazing, the performance really good, like the editing skill as well as the shot, everything. I never thought that it will go so nicely. So all the best to all of you, and enjoy, everybody enjoy the event. That's great. So even the drama, I never thought it will go exactly what I was thinking in the same streamline. So perfect. Yes. 100 marks to everybody.
With
Yes.
all the social distancing and COVID guidelines,
Yes.
100%.
Yes. That is great. That is great. Yeah. So all the best.
Yes,
Let
ma'am.
us enjoy the next events.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, yes,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, so we are taking the recorded event which we had after the break first,
Okay.
because we have some time, and after that at 11:30, according to the schedule, we'll start with the stand up. because we'll
Fine,
also
fine. So that will be
live
direct
participant for
live
that.
performances.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So just talk to judges so that they will be, I think most of them are already reached the college so that we can have a nice live event. Let us see,
Yes,
we can,
ma'am.
whether we can join together and we can watch. That is also we will try.
Yes, yes.
Very
Yeah.
nice coordination between everyone. Hats off. Good. Good job.
Yes.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much,
So
ma'am.
all the volunteers, all entire student council, applaud for them.
Ma'am, yesterday Rishikesh and Rachna were full day making these videos that we have posted on YouTube. They have
It is amazing, amazing
everything.
experience. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are your students for learning all these technical things. Huh? We want to learn. Yes. Yeah. So go ahead, enjoy your day.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. We'll share the next link now for solo dancing.
Yeah.
I'll not share from
Solo dance
laptop.
has not been yet done, right?
No, ma'am. That is the only recorded event that is left. After that, all events are live.
Fine, fine,
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
So now here only you will put the stream so we can continue your.
Yes, ma'am. Here only I'll post in the comments.
Because I get very confused. I'm not yet as efficient as you people, so that मैं कहाँ पे जा रही हूँ वही नहीं समझ में आ
Ma'am,
रही.
ma'am, one thing I'll do, I'll post here in the comments. Okay, that will appear on the student YouTube live, and I'll also post on the WhatsApp group, and Nirmiti will send it to you. So please share it on the teachers group as well, so that
Okay, okay. Fine, 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 fine.
yes,
That is
ma'am.
good. Okay. Chalo, all the best.
Yes, ma'am. Just
Yeah.
sharing the link.
Thank you,
Yeah.
ma'am.
All the best, and I will see. Check the link and do the evaluation. Ah, very good
Yes,
job.
yes.
Fabulous job by everyone. Okay, bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Keep it up.
Yes, ma'am. I am sharing the link. सगळे लोग सब आ गए क्या लाइव पे? सब लोग लाइव पे आ जाओ 2 मिनट. It has been 2 hours and we are through with all our recorded events. Okay, so what we were thinking that we'll keep all the live events on their scheduled time itself, because those people had been preparing and everything. So we don't want to keep it early to disturb whatever they had in their mind, okay, for their performance. Is everyone able to hear me? Everyone म्हणजे निर्मिती काहीतरी बोल.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so we are so we are not changing those timings. Okay, those timings remain the same. So according to that, at 11:30 we'll be starting with stand up. Okay, after that you will have a break, and then at 1 o'clock we'll be starting with debate. No, we'll be starting with personality. Sorry.
Personality.
1 o'clock personality. It was scheduled at 1:20, but we started at 1 so that we have more time. Okay, so 1 to 2 we'll have personality. If it extends a little bit, it is fine. That is not a problem. A little bit. And after that we'll be having debate, wranglers, and after that Scrabble. So Scrabble is something that is not as time sensitive because it will only be us and the teachers are not there. But the personality and wranglers has to go on the given schedule, that is at 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock respectively. I hope it is clear with everyone. So now coming up next, we have stand-up comedy at 11:30. Okay, so we'll see everyone after 25 minutes. Thank you. I'll also put on this screen, okay, so that anyone who opens up the live can know that at 11:30 we are starting with the stand-up. I'll just send a few messages before that. Yes, the live will be going on only till the end, till we finish Scrabble. The live will be here only. Okay, once we finish Scrabble, at that time we'll end the broadcast. So till then, the screen is here only. So you'll be back at 11:30 sharp.